Hey my beautiful shining stars, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, night, whatever it may be. Know that you're awesome and amazing, and I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I'm Charis of Charisma.Star TV, and if you are not a part of the beautiful shining star family, we would love to have you. So be sure to hit subscribe and click that notification bell so you could get more videos, because I love making them for you guys. So I am super excited because of course it is the most wonderful time of the year, and we are partnering again with FabFitFun. You guys, we got a box last season for fall and I was blown away, and I was super excited when they said they wanted to partner with me again and send me their winter box. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at how cute this is. They got the girlfriends sitting around the cozy fire and they're drinking their hot cocoa or their eggnog lattes and just having a good time. Speaking of eggnog lattes, Jacob has been on game, on point with the eggnog lattes this year. I've never been really a huge fan of eggnog, but when he started making them iced for me, I've been gobbling them down like nobody's business. And baby Lyric's been loving them too. For those of you guys who don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box full of goodies. It comes out 4 times a year, so you don't want to miss it, and it comes with full-size beauty products, fashion, lifestyle, wellness. It's good. Each box is $49.99, but it has a value of over $200. Holla! Plus, you could get your first box for $10 off because they're cool like that, and they gave me a code for you guys. So if you just type in star with your order, bam, 10 bucks off. Now FabFitFun lets you customize some of the items in your box, but I wanted to be surprised, so I'm gonna see what's in mine right now. Aww, FabFitFun, find your cozy. How cute! I love the fact that they have their magazine inside of here featuring a fabulous lady on it. And the magazine has recipes inside, it has inspiring stories, it talks about the products that are in the boxes. I love it. Oh, they got a recipe in here for avocado basil pesto pasta. That's like all of my things that I love combined in one. Okay, I don't want to spoil my surprises of what's inside, so I'm just gonna dive in. Fresh opening the box, I could see already that there's brands in here that I love, and we got makeup, lotions, cozy little blankies, yup! Okay, so winter season, I get super dry. I need to stay hydrated, and this is coconut sugar from Anthropology. Oh my goodness, let's give it a whiff. Like coconut cream pie, baby. Oh yes, feel the softness and the richness of the hydrating to the skins. So this is from Per Cosmetics. It is Be Your Selfie Eyeshadow Palette, and it is the perfect neutral palette. Unapologetically be your selfie this season with 9 pieces, from warm brown tones to shimmery golds. Look how pretty these shadows are for the holiday season. I love that you can go really natural, or you can play it up with the shimmers. Ooh, we got a brilliant eye brightener from Thrive Cosmetics, and it's spelled like cosmetics, C-A-U-S-E medics. And I love it because every time that you spend on their products, they give to a woman in need, which is really cool. I'm about that life. What? Oh my goodness, you guys, this is from Moroccan Gold series, and it's the Intense Hair Care. This is one of their treatment masks. This is so good for your hair. If you're anything like me during the holiday season, I love to use my curling iron and my crimper like all day, every day, just because I'm getting ready for different events, going to different parties. And so this comes in so handy because we're getting back that moisturizer and that conditioning and just the vitamins for the hair. I love the fact that they have the full-size products. It's not just a little sample. Oh yeah. It smells good too. And the next product we have is black, and it's an eye mask, and I think this is perfect for the season between staying up late playing games with friends and families, wrapping Christmas presents, and staying up late with the baby. I'm gonna need these to conceal the lack of sleep that I'm not gonna be getting for the weeks ahead. Keeping with that theme of treating yourself and getting your moisturizer back into your skin and hair, this one is from Ahava, and it is a hydrating cream mask, which again I feel is so vital for me during this time of year. And then On top of that, having the baby. Yes, I absolutely love Bite Cosmetics, especially their lip products. And this is a beautiful nude color, so if you're going glam on the eyes and you want to tone it down on the lips, for me, I get extreme both places, but it's always good to have a good nude. And this one is called meringue, like lemon meringue pie. I'm sorry, I'm thinking about pie. What do we have here? So this is from Halston, and this is really cool, you guys, because it's a jewelry portfolio where you could keep your rings, your necklaces, and your bracelets, and this is perfect too for like traveling and helps it not get tarnished and stuff. Very genius, I love it. And last but not least, we have a throw from Mark and Graham personalized gifts that is super, super soft, which their products is always good for stylizing and setting the mood in your room. Ooh. I love creating spaces where people could feel cozy and captivated and like they could sit down and relax, and so this is gonna go perfect on my sofa. And so that is it for my FabFitFun winter unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I love the fact that this introduced me to new brands that I may not have heard of that I could keep up with, especially when I like their products. Please don't forget my coupon code for you guys if you decide to get FabFitFun for yourself or loved one. And remember, you are beautiful, baby, so shine like a star. Mwah!